The mortal remains of Shillong mountaineer Tiklu Jirwa, who went missing since the Uttarakhand avalanche, was brought to his residence at Upper Lumpering on Sunday evening. Jirwa was among many other mountaineers who went missing after the avalanche hit them on Drupadi Ka Danda in Uttarkashi on October 4th. The funeral will be held on Tuesday at Lumpering Presbyterian Cemetery, and the service will start from his residence at 1 p.m. Jirwa's body was recovered by the rescue team on Saturday after days of search. He is survived by his wife and children.
See, I have got this message that 26 bodies has been recovered and I have to go. Maybe Tiklu, he might be one of them, because somebody from the family or any guardian or parents should be there to identify the body. Straight away, I went inside that room that has been kept. Then I opened that body bag. I recognized him from the cab. Then I confirmed that yes, he's the one. Then they have prepared to do the documentation.